In this video, I'll be discussing question set number 39, which is based on the same question scenario that I spoke about in question set number 31. And now in the first question, it says to write the relational algebra query to find the details of the brand Puma product. Also, it says to use the brand ID as 4 and use a product table where the product details are stored as the product table. So here is the relational algebra query for that question, and in this I first use the selection operator, which is sigma, and after that as a selection condition I set the brand ID to 4, and after that over here I mentioned the product table, and that will be the answer for the first question. And now in the second question, I've been told to write the relational algebra query to find the details of the gender male users among the registered users, and to do this they've also told me to use 1 as a gender ID. So the answer for this question will look like something like this. In this again I've used the selection operator, and after that for the selection condition I've set the gender ID to 1, and after that I mentioned the table that needs to be used, which is users. So that will be the answer for the second question. And now the third question, it says to write the relational algebra query to find the details of the registered users, and to do this I need to use the user table and make sure that the gender ID and the user type ID equals 1. So the answer for this question will look like this. And over here what I've done is I've used the selection operator first, and as a selection condition I've told that the gender ID must equal to 1 and also the user type ID must equal to 1, and over here I mentioned the table that must be used. So that will be the answer for the third question. And in the fourth question I've been told to write the relational algebra query to find the details about the products that have the brand DSI and Bata, and to do this I need to make sure that I use the product table and also use 1 as the DSI brand ID and 2 as the brand ID of Bata. So the answer for this question will look like this, and in this I first used the selection operator, and after that for the selection condition I've set brand ID equals to 1 and 2, and also I mentioned the product table that I've been told to use in this question. So that will be the answer for the fourth question, and that's all for now.